Nice and quiet. One more. Got it. How'd that feel?
Good.
So I'm going to drop this head into this palm. Just let the weight go. So I got the arm stabilizing the collarbone, hand underneath.
Oh my God.
And it popped.
Wow.
Just going to come in. Wow, that was good, right?
Yeah.
Drive these shoulders back. Good. Got it.
Start out in the mid-lower thoracic. You're going to breathe in, Brooklyn. All the way out. Shoulders loose. Excellent. Been needing that for some time.
Oh my God. Yeah.
You're going to breathe again. And out. Shoulders loose. Wow.
Oh my God.
Yes. Yeah. So hips relax. Breathe in and out. Tummy relax. Wow. We're going to come on over to the other side. Quite a bit of movement.
Yeah.
There we go. Straighten that leg out. Hips relax. And we're going to breathe in again, Miss Brooklyn.
Yeah.
And out. There we go. Wow.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
Amazing.
Isn't that something?
Literally amazing.
I'm going to put my hands here. Your hands go on top of mine up here. Interlock your fingers. Give me a good squeeze down. A little bit harder. Yeah. Chest up.
I'm scared.
It's okay. It's all right. Chest up. And breathe. Squeeze down a little more. Elbows down. Yeah. Breathe in. Fall back. Fall.
No, I'm not.
Walk forward
I didn't let go.
It's all right. You're good.
Okay.
Squeeze down. And then just fall back. Fall. Wow. So really tight.
It's so tight.
Yeah. It's
No. It's been too long.
Yeah, more and more people are realizing self-care includes the spine. There we go. Hips relax.
Oh my gosh.
Breath in. And out. Drop here. Wow. Shoulders relax.
There you go. Yes, ma'am.
Oh, wow.
You're going to be like Renee Crackle. He's definitely going to love you. There we go. Good. One more. There. Go ahead and relax your leg in my hand. There you go. And you should have felt that from your knee all the way up in your lower back.
That was great. I liked it.
Good. Bad girl. Alrighty. Ooh, boy. Lots of crepitus in this shoulder here. There you go. Good. Ooh, this one too. Boy, yours and Renee's shoulders got quite a bit alike.
For sure.
Now, Lise likes to adjust her own cervical spine, so she's a little hypermobile there. So we're going to take it really easy on her when we do her manual neurospinal decompression. Looky there. Mm-hmm. Beautiful ring.
Thank you so much.
Yeah. Okay.
Where should my hands be?
Right here. And just breathe through your nose. Don't bite your tongue. See there? That wasn't nearly as bad as you thought it was going to be, was it? Sorry, lay your head in my hands. See, I put more of a P to A thrust into this as opposed to a rotary thrust.
Good breath. Nice and gentle.
Oh.
And out. Good, nice and gentle. And out. One more tiny one here at the bottom. Nice and gentle. We'll just bring this over and get a little push right from there. You're doing great. Nice and relaxed.
Okay. Relax. Okay. Relax. Afraid? It's okay. Relax. Release your legs. Okay. Very good. Okay, stretch your legs, please, and relax. Yes. Relax. It's okay? Okay. Relax. Okay, good. Release. Okay. Let's drop your body. Okay. Very good. Relax. Okay. Good. Perfect. Okay. Very good. Relax. Relax. Okay. Turn the cheek on the other side, please. Okay. Relax. Relax. Release your legs. Good. Relax. Okay. Good.
Take a deep breath in and exhale out. Good. One more time. And out. Good. 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 Yep. Squeeze your elbows. Good. 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 Perfect. And breathe. Deep breath in and out. Deep breath in and out.